every man should buy his woman a vibrator. Welcome back to What I Love About Sex. I'm Stephanie, your sexologist and sex coach for men. And today we're talking about vibrators and why they are not your competition, they are your friend. Most men would never even think of buying their woman a vibrator, but you not buying her one could actually be killing your sex life. Because when a woman feels safe, seen, and stimulated, you both win. It isn't your competition, it's your secret weapon. So think of it like that. Because I know a lot of you guys, when I ask, what's your biggest sex challenge in your relationship? The most common response I get is she doesn't want to have sex. And this could be a ton of things, right? But something that guys don't think about is maybe the sex you're having isn't worth desiring for her. And you haven't really asked if she's fully satisfied. A lot of guys will say, oh, well, she orgasmed and I know she doesn't fake it, so she definitely is satisfied. Like she's definitely loving it. But I've mentioned this in many videos and it shocks some of you. Just because she's having orgasms does not mean she's enjoying the actual sex. It does not mean she thinks the sex is great. That does not mean she thinks the sex is worth having. So until you get comfortable and confident talking to her about what does make great sex and what does actually satisfy her, you'll never truly know. And I'm sure when you ask her, the majority of women, around 80%, need clitoral stimulation to feel pleasure during sex and to reach an orgasm that is satisfying for them. What makes this much more likely to happen are vibrators. One that really works well for her body, that is easy for her to use, that she could give to you to use, and it just makes everything easier and more enjoyable. And it doesn't have to do with you not being enough, okay? I know like a lot of guys are like, well, if she needs that, that means I'm not doing my job. No, that's not true. A couple of my really close friends recently told me that they use their vibrator every single time during sex with their man. And their man will be doing the thrusting and she'll be holding the vibrator and it's the best feeling for her. So she didn't say anything about him not being enough. Like she was actually bragging about how much she loves her sex life, one of my friends. Like she was like, oh, I got my vibrator, I got him. Like it was like she was happy about it. You know, it's not like she was annoyed that she has to use it. That's totally not how we think. And wouldn't you rather her be bragging to her friends about how satisfied she is and how much she loves sex? This isn't about you winning. This is about her feeling good, you feeling good, and you guys connecting. And if your goal really is her pleasure, then wouldn't you use any tool to get her there? Knowing vibrators will get her there. Why wouldn't you use them? You don't feel insecure using Spotify instead of playing guitar yourself, right? It's another means of listening to music. And maybe some of you are like, all right, well, I wouldn't know how to bring it up in a way that shows I'm confident about my own abilities to have sex, right? Like you might be feeling like, all right, well, how do I even, she never mentioned it. So I don't want to be this, like come across like I'm insecure or something. So here's how you're gonna word it. Hey, love, I want you to feel amazing. And I know we haven't tried this before. I'm not sure how good it would feel for your body, but let's give it a shot. What do you think? Can I buy this for you? And show her the vibrator. And I'll even link one in the comments. It's my favorite one. I'll go on and off using it, but it definitely is a fave. I've actually told a lot of clients of mine about this vibrator to get for their wives or girlfriends, and I always hear positive feedback. It's waterproof, it's a great size, enough speed variations, it's just awesome. And I want you to think of it this way too, guys. Sex isn't just about climax, it's about connection. And if you show her that you actually really do care about her feeling good, not just at the very end, but like the whole time, and doing things that are gonna work best for her body and that she can feel confident using and not hurt your ego or not be afraid to hurt your ego. She knows you care about her more than your own pride. That's real intimacy. Like that's when she feels emotionally safe with you because she's like, wow, he really gives a shit. Like he really cares. It's actually more manly and more impressive for a man to bring something in that's gonna work best for her body without any insecurity around it. That's a secure, confident man right there. And that's really sexy. So yeah, buy the vibrator, wrap it up, show her you care. You might be shocked at how grateful she is. Not for the toy, but for you. For initiating this into a conversation, taking action to buy it, and doing it for her because you want to make sure that she's feeling great. I hope this was helpful. And if you're interested in coaching because you want one-on-one support for your personal relationship challenges, fill out the link in the description of this episode. See you in the next video.